Ready to dive into some of the most wished-for products on Amazon right now? These trending beauty and self-care finds are flying off the wish list and into shopping carts. As always, links to all these amazing products are in the description below. Let's get started. First up, we have the cult favorite, the LANEIGE Lip Glowy Balm in Berry. If you're after lips that feel ultra moisturized and soft, this balm is your new best friend. With its lightweight, non-sticky formula, it's perfect for keeping your lips hydrated all day long. Next, another LANEIGE must-have, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't just for nighttime. Packed with nourishing ingredients, it deeply hydrates your lips while you sleep or wear it during the day for extra moisture. People are raving about waking up to softer, smoother lips, and it's no surprise why this is a bestseller. If you're a fragrance lover, you can't miss the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Mist. This tropical, fruity scent brings the summer vibes no matter the season. Spray it on for a burst of fresh, beachy goodness that lasts all day. It's a fan favorite for a reason. Everyone's wishing for this one. For serious skincare lovers, the COSRX Advanced Snail Cream is an absolute game-changer. This cult favorite K-beauty product uses snail mucin to repair and hydrate your skin, leaving it soft, bouncy, and glowing. It's lightweight but super effective, making it a go-to for anyone dealing with dryness or irritation. Now let's talk eyes. The Julep eyeshadow stick is not only highly pigmented but waterproof and long-lasting. It's perfect for an easy one-swipe eyeshadow look that stays put all day. Whether you're going for a natural or bold look, this product is a favorite for anyone who loves quick and beautiful eye makeup. Next on the list, for those of you chasing that glossy, juicy lip look, we have the Nature Republic Melting Gloss. This K-beauty lip gloss gives you that perfect high shine finish without feeling sticky. It's perfect for a polished, glossy pout that stays comfortable all day long. No wonder it's so highly wished for. Dark circles or puffiness got you down? The winning formula under eye mask is here to save the day. This little miracle worker reduces the appearance of puffiness, fine lines, and dark circles, making your under eyes look fresher and more awake. It's a must-have in every beauty lover's routine. Press-on nails have never been easier with Glamnetic reusable press-on nails. These give you salon-quality nails in minutes. Available in trendy designs, they're perfect for when you want an easy, gorgeous manicure without the hassle. Plus, they're reusable, so you can keep rocking your favorite set over and over again. Lip balm lovers, the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm is a must. With its smooth, rich formula, it hydrates and nourishes your lips, leaving them soft and supple. Whether you're battling dry lips in the winter or just want to keep them moisturized, this product has earned its place on wish lists everywhere. Moving on to hair care, the Shark SpeedStyle hairdryer has been making waves. It's lightweight, high velocity, and perfect for fast professional level blowouts at home. With multiple heat and speed settings, it caters to all hair types, making it one of the most wished-for hair tools out there. Looking for long-lasting lip color? The Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain is a total game-changer. Apply, peel, and voila! You're left with a gorgeous, long-lasting stain that doesn't smudge or transfer. It's perfect for those who want color that lasts all day without the need for constant reapplication. For bright, youthful skin, everyone's wishing for the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. This powerhouse serum is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and hyaluronic acid to brighten, hydrate, and even out your skin tone. It's a must-have for anyone looking to achieve that radiant, glowing complexion. Makeup lovers will love the Fazit Makeup Guard Patches. These handy patches protect your makeup from fallout while you're doing your eyeshadow or applying makeup. They're waterproof, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who loves experimenting with bold eye looks without the mess. Now, a hair tool that needs no introduction, the Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler. Whether you're after curls, waves, or sleek styles, this multifunctional tool does it all without extreme heat damage. It's a splurge, but it's topping wish lists everywhere because of its versatility and ease of use. No heat curls, anyone? The Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set lets you achieve gorgeous curls without any damage. Just wrap your hair, sleep on it, and wake up to beautiful bouncy curls. It's a gentle, time-saving way to get salon-worthy hair. No heat required. The perfect multitasker for skincare and makeup, Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré is a beauty must-have. This French favorite works as a moisturizer, primer, and even a makeup remover. It leaves your skin smooth, hydrated, and perfectly prepped for makeup. Tired of knots and tangles? Milk_shake Leave-In Conditioner makes detangling your hair a breeze. This lightweight leave-in spray hydrates and smooths your hair while also giving it a healthy shine. Perfect for those who want manageable, silky hair without the heaviness of traditional conditioners. For voluminous salon-worthy blowouts at home, look no further than the REVLON One-Step Volumizer Hairdryer. This 2-in-1 tool combines a hairdryer and a round brush, giving you gorgeous volume and smoothness in one step. It's a huge hit with everyone looking to save time while still achieving great hair. If you're into nails, the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Set is a fun, dynamic option. It offers a color-changing effect based on temperature, giving you 2 colors in one polish. Whether you're feeling subtle or bold, this polish transforms with you. Finally, let's talk about foundation. The TIRTIR Mask Fit Red Cushion Foundation. This product is highly coveted for its lightweight, full coverage that stays put all day long. It blends seamlessly into your skin, giving you a natural, flawless finish without feeling heavy. Plus, it's great for controlling shine and keeping your complexion looking fresh and smooth. No wonder it's one of the most wished-for foundations on Amazon right now.